I need to smell it.
It smells like egg. Here comes the airplane.
Wait, we didn't put vanilla. We didn't put vanilla.
Kamikaze! Say
Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and here on Gluten Curious, we make videos about gluten-free lifestyles, sensitive skin, and eczema. Today, we're gonna be doing an episode of Quarantine Kitchen, where we show you how to make cloud bread.
Alright, so first, you have 3 eggs that you're gonna need, and you wanna only get the egg whites. We don't want the yolks, because yolks are yucky. Yucky yolks. So, anyway, after you separate the egg yolks, you wanna beat that for a little bit until you see some bubbles. We used our standing mixer, our handy dandy standing mixer. It's like a mystery mask tool. Next, once you see a lot of bubbles in your egg yolks, you want to add 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. After 2.5 tablespoons of sugar and a little bit more beating and more bubbles, you want to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Then you want to see nice stiff peaks. It's going to look like a white foam that doesn't really like puff down. It's going to stay up. Then, and only then, will you be able to add food coloring of your choice. We did pink and purple.
Ah, my blood!
Cheers. So we pop that into the oven for 20 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna let you know how it turns out. So we've just pulled our masterpiece out of the oven, and it looks beautiful. And Josh is going to feed me.
I guess I am.
Wait, first, I need to smell it.
It smells like egg. Here comes the airplane.
Wait, we didn't put vanilla. We didn't put vanilla.
Kamikaze! Say
Wait, that's a full.
She likes it, yay! Told you it's gonna taste just like egg.